Hi, Dane. I am so excited to be in this beautiful store surrounded by all of this gorgeous, brand new Mode furniture. How did it get started? How did you get into the new furniture business as a thrift store?
So about 9 years ago, we realized that there was a need in the Valley for furniture that was new, that was affordable. So we began to create and build this business, and it's grown over time. We started out with just a few categories of merchandise, and now it's expanded into a full line. As you walk our floor, you'll see lamps, artwork, accessories, all types of furniture.
Now, I was looking around the floor, and I'm looking at the price points, and they're incredibly low. And yet the furniture's, it feels like furniture I've seen at other furniture stores, same quality, beautiful design. Why is Revivals able to sell it for so much less?
Simply, Stephen, we don't take the markup that a traditional retail furniture store does. We're able to offer prices to our customer that are much more affordable. And you're absolutely right. The product you see at Revivals, you would see at many other retailers across the Valley.
And I've noticed that it's different at every store. How did that come to be? How do you assort the furniture at, say, Indio versus Palm Springs? Who's making those decisions?
So, each store has its niche for what it sells. Palm Springs, where we sit today, is a very modern store. People interested in mid-century modern. As we move east in the county, that changes a bit. Indio is the only store where I sell children's furniture. Wow. Because of the number of families that we serve in Indio. So every store has what it needs to support the customer and their interests in the store they shop. We love for our furniture floor to change up. Mm-hmm. So you won't walk into a Revival store and see it look the same every time you're here. Right. One of the things that is really important to our customers, we call it the grab and go. Mm-hmm. Knowing that when they come into our store, they can buy it and take it home that day. Okay. If it happens to be on our sales floor, doesn't matter, they can take it home. We don't make anybody wait if they want to take it with them.
What types of categories can I expect to see in Mode Furniture if I come into the stores?
So you're always going to find a selection of sofas. You're always going to find occasional chairs. You're always going to find matching occasional tables. You will always find nice bedroom sets. In addition, we sell brand new mattresses.
Oh, yeah.
Much more affordable than most retailers in the Valley. It's become a very big business for us.
What should I be looking for? What should I be thinking about when I'm selecting the right piece of furniture for my home to make sure it fits my decor, but also fits the space that I have to work with?
So we always joke about that. When a customer comes in to look at furniture, they sometimes forget the most important thing is to understand the size of the product. You need to understand that the piece you look at, as much as you may love it, it may not fit in your home. Okay. So you need to always come in knowing what size piece you're looking for. I think the next thing is figuring out what is most important to you. Is it the color of the product? Is it the fabric on the product? Is it the way the product sits? We have a lot of customers that are more concerned about the aesthetic of an item than they are whether it's going to be the most comfortable piece of furniture they ever sat on. So you've got to decide what's important to you. I think one of the things too that has become a big part of what our customer does is they have no problem mixing the new and the old.
Yeah.
So they'll come in and buy a brand new sofa and they'll run right over to the donated section and find 2 occasional tables to go with it or an occasional chair. And that's kind of exciting, the mix and match possibilities. And I think lastly, as you shop, you need to know that you're getting a value. And we always encourage people, you can look elsewhere, but you will return to us because we will have the best price in town.
One last question, and I know that this is something that I'm always worried about when I'm shopping online, is what is the return policy at Revivals if, let's say I buy an occasional chair and I take it home, but it just doesn't fit the space, or for some reason the next day I want a different color piece of furniture. Can I bring it back? Can I work with you on that?
If you were to get it home and you just made an awful mistake, yep. We are generous in giving you 3 days to return it to us. We ask that it obviously come back in the condition that it left the building, yep. And if it were boxed, that it be in the box. But we will work with you on that. We want to make sure you're happy.
Great. I think the only thing that's left for me to do is to find my perfect piece of furniture and get comfortable knowing that I've made an impact in my community by buying it at Revivals.